my way outside. I'm gonna report again. This is crazy. Snow 2016. Apocalypse. Crazy. It's blowing hot. Let's go see the temperature. What the weather look like. Now let's go. We out here. Again, the snow start picking up again one more time. When this gonna be end? Nobody know when it's gonna end. It's coming down. It's just coming down because we having it. Let's see. I'm outside. Now the wind start picking up actually 20, 30, 40, 60 miles an hour. The wind is coming down and the snow is coming down pretty hard. As you can see, you see the snow is all the way here. Just take a look. I don't want to put my finger in there anymore, but the snow is coming down. It's still coming down. Look, oh my gosh. I'm standing here. This is me right now. I'm 5'4", 5'4". The snow is right on top of my waistline. The wind is picking up heavily right now. I can't move that much. 20, 30 miles an hour. And that's the county truck again. It's piling up the snow so hard. This is ridiculous. The wind is picking up very, very hard. Like 40 miles an hour. The snow is coming down. The drifting is continuing. The blizzard warning is here. I'm telling you, this is, just take a look down there. It's completely shut down. The blizzard of 2016 is coming down since yesterday. This is what we have. Look at the snow truck. That's the pile right there. This man have been walking all night. I'm telling you, they've been doing a pretty good job. Thank you so much for the job you've done for us. This is Herndon, Virginia. My name is Shaker. I'm reporting here in Fairfax County. It's a small thing. And this is one-way section. And I'm gonna try to climb on top here. But I can't do it right now. As you see, the wind is picking up. The whiteout condition is picking up. Just like last night. It's pretty white out here. You can't see nothing down that side. It's completely gone. The wind is coming like 30, 40 miles an hour. It's ridiculous. Look at the snow. This is a one-way sign. The snow is coming. It's white out. It's cold. And the snow is coming 3, 4, 5 inches an hour here in Virginia, Herndon, Virginia. It's completely shut down. Boy, I'm telling you, it's cold. It's cold. And just take a look. Everything is white. You can't see anything end to end. And the complete road, it's blocked. This way here, it's blocked. That's my apartment over there, and it's completely shut down. This side you can't go through. You can't go anywhere. There is no car should be come out here. If you don't have any business to do out there, out in this area, don't come to Herndon, Virginia, Fairfax County. It's snowing. It's coming down. It's coming down pretty hard. Let's say this. This is crazy, but somebody have to come outside in Herndon here to report. But let me tell you something. The snow truck people, they've been working pretty hard. They've been working pretty hard all night long. They have done, even yesterday night, around 4:30, there was a snow truck pile stuck out there. But unfortunately, someone has to come and help him clear the snow truck. It's white out, it's cold, and I can't even see anything. It's completely gone. The wind is blowing 30, 40, 50, 60 miles an hour. And it's pretty cold. That's hot. So the wind factor, it's pretty cold. All that, nobody. I'm alone here. I have to report this to the people, to the media. Somebody somewhere have to do this because this is 2016 snow apocalypse and the blizzard condition. Oh, by the way, I see someone is coming down there. I don't know what this person is doing, but this person is coming down there. I think I found somebody. But all you can see right now down there is the snow pile. They're doing a good job. And this person, I'm walking towards this person right now and go see. Let me see if I can talk to him and let him tell me how he feels about this snow coming down here. This year, 2016 snow apocalypse. This is crazy. It's crazy cold. I don't know why I'm doing this. Maybe because I love to report. I love to do stuff. You know, as he had a shovel on his hand, I guess he's about to do some stuff. How you doing, sir? How you like the weather?
Perfect.
Is this crazy? You live on camera?
Hey,
yeah.
Loving it.
You loving it?
Yeah,
you having a good time? What you gonna do with the brew right now?
I was cleaning my boat, the cover.
Oh, really?
On a cover, so I have to get those off.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, have a great day. Thanks for talking with me. He was cleaning things. He's having fun. He's having a good time. It's time for some people. I gotta get out because you see the